everyone. Hope everyone and their loved ones are hale and hearty. And thanks Anand, Harshal, Manas, and Nitin for making my job easy after such a beautiful thoughts and the action what you have done. Kabir, what I will do as we have agreed that I will cover more in this part. I will cover more of the industry and what as a mother dairy we have done. And in the next part, what you take, we will take the financial, human, and the social capital.
Yeah.
Okay. I am representing the Mother Dairy. I'm the group CFO of the Mother Dairy, which is almost about $1.5 billion company. There has been a mixed impact on the dairy industry. The fresh milk sales saw a decline of about 10 to 12%, mainly due to the institutional and the HoReCa, that is the hotel, restaurant, and the catering segment, and the tea vendors, which is a common thing on the roads here. The household consumption, we saw increase due to the people at home throughout the day and enjoying with their families, the food and the work also. The milk availability, which normally in the summers is a challenge. And we were facing, before the COVID, we were seeing that we might face some challenges in the milk availability and the prices might go up. But thanks to, we had a good availability because a lot of small players were not buying the milk from the people, and we being a social organization also, we were buying whatever was available, and we helped the farmers that way. Few of our categories like butter, cheese, ghee, and paneer saw a growth of about 20 to 50%. One of the segment, as Deepak mentioned earlier, the ice cream segment saw a decline of about 70 to 80%, mainly due to the close of retail stores, all the schools which help in impulse buying, and the non-plying of the vending carts. I know people who based out of Delhi would appreciate. We have about 7,000 carts plying on the roads, and which were not on the roads during this time. With our category team did a lot of things. They made a lot of WhatsApp group to deliver. Along with some radio channels, we went to the ice cream cake. We celebrated birthdays of the people on the radio channels and gave them the ice cream cakes at their homes. People were very happy. But still, this could not help much. We were still down by about 70%. Yeah. The other channel which got affected in our company was the bulk sales in oil and the ghee, which is about 15 liters pack, and ice cream, the gallons, due to no marriages, functions, and closure of all the sweets and snack shops. And in the initial days, we faced certain challenges due to labor issues, the packing material, which we just keep for the just in time, which was earlier not made essential services, but on representation, the packing material was also brought into essential services, and we were lucky to get the value chain for running. What we have observed, Kabir, in this new trends observed during COVID and the consumer behavior and the channel shift, what we have seen, the demand for immunity products is getting a thing coming up in a big way, and riding the bandwagon, we also crashed our new product development cycle from about 3 to 4 months to just about 5 weeks, and we were able to launch this Haldi milk within 1 month. And also there are 4 to 5 weeks and a lot of new products of the immunity which are in the pipeline. One more trend what we saw is the modern retail sales, which was a big thing in our business due to social distancing and closure of stores in the mall and the standalone stores of Reliance Retail, More, Future, and decline in footfall due to social distancing. We found that e-commerce is taking a thing. It has come as a black swan even for the e-commerce industry, which is gaining footfalls, clicks in our company. Due to fear of contagion, the fear of consumer towards the package, open goods, loose goods, the packaged product like paneer and packaged sweets are gaining a momentum. And we are also strengthening our sweet portfolio. We already have a launch rasgullas, gulab jamuns, frozen rasmalais for the people, and there are a lot of other products in the pipeline. One more thing that we saw is the small is big. As a lot of people mentioned that there are a lot of cuts, salary cuts, and the people take home salaries have reduced. The value for money products is increasing, and we already have a lot of products in the range of 10 to 20 rupees. And we have recently launched even a cone, which used to be 40, 50 rupees. We have launched an ice cream cone in the range of 10 rupees, at the rate of 10 rupees. We see industry as a bleak future for the large volume catering, both up in the sky and also on the grounds, because of a lot of marriages and all those things not happening and gatherings not being there. But more trend what we have seen and which have helped and would have helped all the industries is moving from the traditional marketing to digital marketing. In the last 3 months, we were able to bring back digital marketing. We were able to bring back the Indian Ocean back on our digital route. We were able to bring back the Jalebi kid of 90s Dhara back in action. And what we feel also more is the food safety will be concerned, and brands, the packaged goods and the brands will carry a premium. What helped Mother Dairy, let me cover on the Mother Dairy front, this was the industry coverage. What helped Mother Dairy to survive and thrive? We were able to, we were almost doing about 80 to 90% of our turnovers, almost about 800 to 900 crores every month. We have a diversified portfolio of fresh milk, value-added dairy products like curd, charch, butter, cheese. We have a range of filtered oils and refined oils, ghee, fresh fruits and vegetables, frozen peas and snacks, and B2B, pulp business. The Mazas and all those things, Cokes, and they use all the mango pulps and banana pulps produced by the Mother Dairy. I don't know how many people know that. Yeah. We were there with our consumers from dawn to dusk and part of their life from throughout the day. Not sure how many people know that apart from Mother Dairy brand, we also have two more brands like Dhara and the Safal. The kids of 90s would know the Dhara Dhara jingle, Dhara Dhara Shuddh Dhara, and also the Safal, the pioneers of the frozen peas. As most of the retail stores were closed, shops were closed, we were lucky that we were in this COVID, we had our own 1,500 outlets run by the franchises in NCR, and they were giving uninterrupted supplies to the people from morning 5 to 9 o'clock in the night. During this period, when there were a lot of, we opened more than 50 to 60 kiosks in housing societies and also helped people in the red zone and containment zones for the ease of consumers. And we feel that this action would go a long way and people will remember Mother Dairy for that. We operate on the model of C2C, that's cow to consumer and farm to folk, to serve our farmers and rural India, which helped us in uninterrupted supplies of milk and vegetables to the country. In the beginning of the lockdown, we saw some in the fresh milk and the fruit and vegetables. Initially, we saw a huge upswings on certain days due to panic buying and stocking by the people. But when the people saw our stores opening every morning at 5, there were no doubts in the people that they need to stock now. What we thought in this, after the post-COVID, a lot of case studies would be written. And we wanted that we should be having an inspiring case study for people to write and read. With this, I hand over to Kabir. Thank you for being part of this.